In simple terms, Timothy, Dr. Harry Benjamin is the name. I grew up in Jamaica, became a medical doctor there. Soon after, became an entrepreneur distributing automobiles. I later on got into the network marketing space, and I'm now in the foreign exchange space, trading the financial markets. How I was able to do this is that I started off as an affiliate. An affiliate is where you pay a little over $100 to get registered. All right, so you could do that to get in. And what I did, and many of us do that, is introduce other people to join our community. When you do that, our company pays you $25 per basic affiliate or $150 per affiliate pro. So if you enroll somebody with a $399 package, you get $150. And then you get paid $500 a month, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, and so on. So here's how we do this, right? If you join us, you could go through the education, or you could be an affiliate, either one. Most of us start off as an affiliate and end up getting free education, because when you're an affiliate, you're earning commissions. So the monthly payment does not come out of your pocket. But some people go ahead and pay for the education out of your pocket, and that's fine as well. It's a $7 trillion market, 7 trillion with a T, that you're tapping into through NADEX, the foreign exchange trading. And then we have the safety trade technology, which I'll emphasize here shortly. And then we have the Core Academy, which is for personal development. If you choose to be a student, you pay $89 per month, or you pay $99 per month if you do not have a student ID, or $159 per month if you want to get the NADEX added to your course education. It includes a library to watch the videos on training over and over again. It also includes trade ideas, and you have live classes with master traders, 3 different classes each week with master traders that you're able to tap into. And then we have the US 30 Academy. That's the highest level of trading education available for $199 a month. And then we have the outstanding safety trade technology for $599 one time to get your license for the year, and then $75 per month for the signals. So this is really amazing that we have this, right? And I'm going to show you what that is. And these are extras. If you want to add these on later on, if you wanted to get them as standalone items, you could buy them and add them to your package if you wanted to. All right, so let's talk about the technology that I mentioned. If you could identify green or red, you can make money. And I'm not trying to be glib about it, right? Right here, and Timothy, if you could stay unmuted so that we could just do this together to see if you could do this. Yes, all right. Sir. All right, so down here, right here where my arrow is, my cursor, these red and green things are called candles, right? Yeah, called what? Candles. Okay. We call them a candlestick. That's what they call it, a candlestick. All right. Now below this green line, do you agree with me that these candles are below this green line? These two right here, are they below this line? Yes or no?
I get a phone call. I'm so sorry.
Say that again. Say that one more time. Can you, could you say that one more time? Are these 1, 2, 3, 4? Are they below the green line?
Yeah, what you saying?
Yeah, I'm asking, are these candles below this green line? The green wavy line going through the screen. This green wavy line. At this point where my cursor is, would you agree with me that the candles are below the green line? Yes or no? Are you, okay, maybe you're cutting in and out. I'm not hearing you. But I was trying to get your confirmation that the candles were below the green line, okay? And then the green arrow came up afterwards. So if we're looking at the screen and these candles are popping up one after the other, every 5 minutes, 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 the green arrow pops up on the screen. And when it does, we're waiting for everything down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to turn green, which they're not green yet, but we wait, and then everything is now green. Green, 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 green. And then we are now waiting for the 4th one from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4 to turn red, right? Let's wait, and it did turn red. When it does turn red, we go ahead and put in what's called a buy stop. buy stop simply means it's an order to be able to make money. That's what it means.
Yes.
So we'll put in a line here, and we'll put in another line here.
Excuse me.
And we'll explain to you how to put those lines in by right-clicking in this box, clicking trading, clicking your order, and putting in those lines. When you do that, we're waiting now for these candles to push up through these two lines. And if it does that, we'd make money. So let's see that happen. You can see clearly that it went up and touched that one, came back down, and it went all the way through the top line. So what I meant is that this trade, somebody won money who took that trade like me, all right? And then it came back down again, and it did it one more time. It came back down, and it went back up again through these two lines, and it made more money again. Let's see if it did it another time. Oh, well, it's not. The market is still, it's kind of closing for the day. So it's kind of just hovering around there. Now, if you could just simply do that on this chart or another chart, here's an example of it going into the red. This one didn't turn green, but this is a space here. There's a way to understand how to use this space here when it comes above the line and how you put in a trade and still make money on it. All right. And then over here are just so many examples of it. I could just keep going back in time, and here are a couple of the buys, right, where it was all green. This one turned red. It looked like it was going down, but it was really going back up. You could see that was another winning trade again. So this happens all day long, right? All day long on different assets. Now, how can you identify different assets? You right-click in this box over here where these are, click symbols, and you're gonna see that you literally have at your fingertips the world's financial markets, FX majors, exotics, what are called indices, right? So if you open this box, you see things like US 30, NAS 100, things you hear about on the news, and then you go ahead and click energy, oil, you could see that, and then metals like gold and silver, you would see that, and then cryptos, all of those, BT, USD, Ethereum, USD, etc., all of that. And then the futures, that's a dollar index, and then stocks. You could see that as well. So what this gives you is an opportunity to come in here and trade the world's financial markets and make money. That's the bottom line. And you're going to be given guidance. You're going to be given training on how to do this successfully so you can make money for yourself and your family. All right. So I'm just fired up, very excited about what we have. And you have an opportunity to come and be a part of this with us. All right. And we get a chance to do this together. All right. Okay, good. Any questions?
Well, okay. While you were presenting, I got a call and then I blanked out. I couldn't hear anything, and then I had to log out and come back in. I would like to know what's the red line, the red candles, and the green. What is the difference between the red and the green candle?
All right, thank you for that question. So what happens is that in our business, the red, let me see if I can get it on here. Let's see if this is moving. All right. All right, at the end of this chart, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, towards the end, right? Right here at the end. Do you see that little green dot?
Yes.
Okay, so the green is green when it's going up, and this turns red whenever it's going down. That's the difference. So in the business of trading, green means to buy. So in order to make money in the direction of the green, you have to do what's called take a buy. If you want to make money in the direction of the red, you have to do what's called take a sell. Okay? And that's simply what it's for. The green means it's going up, the red means it's going down. All right, so you see this green popped up again. So you might see it pop up, you might see jump in this direction, and it would be green. If it goes in the opposite direction, it's going to show red. So whenever it's going down, it's red. Whenever it's going up, it's green. But some people change the colors of the candles to something different from red and green because the technology gives you that flexibility. Some people may want blue and yellow or black and white. It's something you could do at your discretion. But that's generally what it means. And right now it's setting up for what's called a sell, right? If it wasn't so close to the end of the day, I would definitely jump into this as a sell, right? I could make a quick profit here by opening up a trade right below here and taking a profit like right there, okay? And I'll be able to win. So if this goes down, the reason why I'm saying that is because this came back up and this little part here will turn green. But even if it doesn't turn green, it came above this line. So it's a good time to jump into this trade, okay? And catch a see turn green, see a little green dot right here. So red, 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 green, red, red. So with that happening, all we have to do is wait on it to push back down through here, and would have won. Or maybe in between here, you could close it out and take that profit and be on about your business. But at this time of the day, it's too slow to put in a trade because the market closes in a few minutes, but it might be strong enough to push this through. And this is what BTC US dollar, right? And then, you know, we needed to check the 5-minute time frame to make sure it's agreed. So this is what we call a dirty sell because the higher time frame is not in agreement with it. And then we could check a higher time frame to see what's going on, the 15-minute time frame. So if there's also a sell on the 15-minute time frame, and there's a sell in the 30-minute time frame is a selling market. The 1-hour time frame is also showing a selling market and so forth. So, but the 4-hour time frame is showing a buying market. So going down here to this, you know, this is just a quick opportunity to just grab some money quickly out of the market and be on about your business. Okay. So in other words, in simple terms, what you'll be doing is coming into this box, right click, click trading, click new order, and be literally on your laptop at your home, at the beach, you know, wherever you are, and just buy and sell and make money. And that's basically what that allows for. You get the training on how to do this properly. And once you're trained and you understand how to do this, then you can make money. While you're going through your training, you could introduce people to our community and we will pay you money for doing that. Right? If you bring, you introduce Joan, introduce me, introduce Alan, yeah, we pay you $25 US per member that joins as an affiliate, $150 per member that joins as a pro, or you could build a group and we pay you like $500 US a month, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and it keeps climbing up in that way. The more members you have in the team, while you're now able to trade and make money on your laptop on your phone. Is that making sense?
Oh, so you're building a team, or it's like a choice?
Yep. Yes, correct. So you could just pay for the education straight and not tell anybody about us. But we consider that to be selfish. Or you could go ahead and join us and help other people to learn about us, and we will pay you commissions for that.
Okay.
And you learn how to trade as well and make money from that as well. Is that clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Wonderful. Any other questions?
No.
Awesome. Are you ready to join us?
Yeah. I told my friend that I was gonna, because right now at this point I don't have a credit card. Because I had asked my the boss that I was working with a job letter, but up to now he hasn't given me.
I understand. Do you have cash that you could use to get registered?
Yeah. She said she was gonna credit me or something, and she asked me when would that be, because I told her Monday.
All right, fine. So you could make a payment with cash, and then somebody will use their card and get you registered. Okay?
Yeah, that's the plan.
All right, wonderful, Timothy. Well, welcome to the family. We look forward to working with you. So go ahead and get registered, and then we will be speaking, and we're going to help you to benefit from our program. Okay?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. Nice.